Monmouth College is a selective residential liberal arts college in West Central Illinois. We welcome international students to our campus of 1,200. More than 7% of our student community is international, with 33 countries represented. We offer more than 50 areas of undergraduate programs of study. Monmouth College students are academically well prepared, intellectually curious, and eager to become involved in an active, welcoming, and diverse student community. Our students are serious about their studies, but they also enjoy a rich college experience full of opportunity and possibilities. If this describes you, we encourage you to pursue admission. We welcome students from every kind of high school curriculum, national and international. For more information, visit monmouthcollege.edu/international. Best wishes as you explore your opportunities for study in the United States.